What's up, blockchain? What does the future hold for XRP? So we'll just cover a little bit on that today in this video. And hello everyone, welcome. Okay, so 2 reasons why XRP could be the future of crypto on this website. Here are a couple of reasons why many investors remain bullish on top cryptocurrency XRP right now, despite an ongoing lawsuit. What's the date of this? April the 12th. By Chris McDonald. Thanks, Chris. Okay. So the native cryptocurrency token of the XRP ledger, that's what XRP is, for those of you who don't know. It was launched in 2012. It's one of the oldest tokens out there, up there with Bitcoin. Investors may have mixed, it's even older than Ethereum. Investors may have mixed opinions on the ability of this network to grow at an astronomical rate. Yeah. That's mainly because there are now so many projects on the crypto world seeking capital, over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. And as we've seen, so many small cap projects have absolutely skyrocketed from a small base to achieve incredible market capitalizations. Currently, XRP's market cap places this token 7th. I think it's moved up now, actually. So, few reasons to remain bullish on this token, and then he says let's dive into the bull case behind XRP right now. Okay, so I'll comment on each of these if I have a comment. Ability to transfer money anywhere. Okay. Well, how's it different from currently? Currently, it's not cryptocurrency based. They have a global financial banking system and financial system and trade network. It's not cryptocurrency based, and it's slow. It's dinosaur slow. It's outdated system. It's very, well, quite relatively expensive, and as I said, very slow and inefficient. XRP and the XRP ledger solves all those problems that I just mentioned, and probably more that I haven't mentioned. Sub 5 seconds transaction speeds, and even less than that per transaction, even less than that. So ability to transfer money anywhere. What does he say? Many investors take cross-border trade for granted. Globalized world. Okay. So XRP is the token that's supporting the RippleNet, a global payment transfer system. Okay, so RippleNet is a global payment transfer system, and XRP is the underlying cryptocurrency to make this happen. Okay. Using RippleNet and XRP tokens, users can transfer money anywhere around the globe for roughly 0.25 per transaction, 25 cents, dollar cents. It's dirt cheap compared to existing solutions. The network's cross-border functionality is among the best in the sector at scale. So currently XRP, RippleNet, XRPL ledger is at the top, number 1 in terms of this use case. Okay. And it doesn't matter if they lose the SEC legal case, it won't stop XRP to proliferate and evolve and grow globally. Okay, just so that you guys know that. But if they win the SEC case, it will just help them. It will be a huge boost, and their growth will be a bit quicker, I think. Makes sense. XRP ledger efficiency. So bullish, to be bullish on this token. Regardless of the SEC case, this will inevitably increase the value of XRP. Okay. XRP ledger efficiency. Also, this efficiency will just get better as well, in my opinion. XRP has been able to gain this cost advantage via impressive efficiency within the network's ledger. Blockchain technology can be thought of as a perpetual ledger. So new transactions that are added to the block form a chain, hence blockchain. Okay. However, how efficient the said ledger is will inform the prices charged for fees on a given network. So yeah. So XRP gains top marks at this stage. Many transactions can be carried out at a fraction of a cent. Okay, not 25 cents, at a fraction of a cent. With cost being of utmost importance to global merchants, XRP to global trade. XRP is often viewed as one of the only cryptocurrencies that can facilitate meaningful scale at minimal cost to the most number of people. That's why many investors like this token. So yeah, read this again for you. Okay, very important. I agree with that. I fully agree with that. Yeah. Bottom line, it's important to remember that XRP's parent company Ripple is still in the throes of a lawsuit with the SEC. Okay. Yeah, but you can read that, but in my opinion, it's neither here nor there. I think almost guaranteed the SEC is going to lose the case. Please check out my just over an hour video where I try my best to answer the question: is XRP a security or not? That video seems to have been quite popular on all three the channels, our channels, which is What's a Blockchain, JP Courses, and the JP Courses backup channel. Okay, I've done my best. I'm not an expert in it at all. I've just tried to use logic and common sense. I think it's worth watching. You can just speed it up 1.5 or 2x. I watch all the YouTube videos of YouTubers that I follow at 2x speed, unless they already talk very fast. But yeah, because I don't have all the time on my hands and to get through videos quickly, I follow a lot of people. 2x speed is minimum. But yeah, should you invest $1,000 in XRP? Before you consider XRP, we think you'll want to hear this. And then they say that, whatever. But yeah, not financial advice. I don't give financial advice on my channels. It's education, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Do your own research, as you should know by now. But yeah, I would invest in XRP as much as I can, but not just XRP. Okay, but always remember to take profits. Not financial advice, but always remember to take profits when it's the right time. Unless you're just pretty much using it as correct me if I'm wrong, as a store of value. Okay, like investing in gold. It's not like you once a year or every 6 months you go and you sell some gold. I mean, you can do that, but it's a store of value. So like Bitcoin and probably Ethereum. I don't know about XRP, but yeah. Price prediction 2030 to 2050. What is the future of XRP? No one can predict this far out. It's ridiculous. But still, I'm crediting these people and the websites using their content. Well, not using it, commenting on it. So Ripple is almost as old as Bitcoin. We already know. If you want to know what Ripple is, go to my, I'm pretty sure I cover it there. Otherwise I cover it in some of my shorter videos on Ripple, on XRP. But I cover it in my long video as well, where I answer the question pretty convincingly whether XRP is a security or not. So yeah, okay. Ripple allows users to make peer-to-peer transfers in any currency. A key function of XRP is to facilitate the conversion from one currency to another. For example, if a direct conversion between Mexican pesos and Thai baht is not available, the pesos can be exchanged for XRP and then the XRP for baht. Yeah, well, yeah. Okay, so let's read this. Running parallel to the XRP ledger is RippleNet. RippleNet is a global financial network similar to the SWIFT network, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial and Telecommunication Banking System, but one that is built on blockchain technology, thereby making it decentralized, transparent, faster, and cheaper than its traditional counterpart. RippleNet leverages XRP to provide liquidity for cross-border transactions. Okay, very important. Today, RippleNet facilitates over 120 currency pair transactions across more than 55 countries worldwide. Already by the sounds of it. Okay, some of the financial institutions using RippleNet include Bank of America, American Express, and then they have this stupid SEC case. Even if Ripple lost, which they won't, if they lose, then SEC has done something corrupt, cheating. But well, they are already. But yeah, it won't stop XRP from getting more clients and growing globally and becoming a dominant force in a global financial, economic, and trade space. It has to be said that XRP assets and Ripple are separate entities. Okay. If Ripple goes bankrupt, doesn't exist anymore, the company Ripple, XRP will still exist, the coins, the tokens. Okay. It has to be said, and I think the ledger as well. It has to be, the ledger is like XRP's blockchain, if I have it right. It has to be said that XRP assets on Ripple are separate entities, although inherently related. Ripple is a centralized fintech company that developed the XRP ledger, which XRP tokens live on. Okay, the XRP ledger is a decentralized public blockchain network maintained by the XRP community, with Ripple running 6 of the 35 plus validators on a network's unique node. Okay, unique. What? UNLs are the lists of validators a given participant believes will not conspire to defraud them. Each server operator can choose their own UNL, usually based on a default set provided by a trusted publisher. All these things, this is new ideas, new technologies, they will evolve, become better. What is the future of Ripple, according to Capital.com? Thank you, guys, for commenting that I can comment on your content. XRP's technology is seen as a disruptive force with the global financial system. This is absolutely true. However, in recent times, Ripple and XRP are more dominantly associated with an ongoing lawsuit. Yeah, probably only for people following this and people in the US. I don't think people outside the US care that much. Maybe here and there, especially if their projects involve XRP. The XRP price over the years will be highly dependent on the outcome of the lawsuit. I disagree. The US isn't the world. In December, the SEC isn't the boss of regulators in the world. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit. We all know that. It's boring news. It's boring news. SEC is not a security, in my opinion. This is all just about the case. It's not about the future. So, yeah. But so let me just comment on this. The SEC will lose the case, in my opinion. So the SEC will, in my opinion, definitely lose this case, but they will try and drag it out as long as possible. Okay, so XRP price prediction 2030 to 2050. Is Ripple a good long-term investment? Okay. According to technical forecast website Wallet Investor, XRP is an awesome long-term 1-year investment. Long-term is not 1-year investment. Our AI cryptocurrency analyst implies that there will be a positive trend in the future, and the XRP might be good for investing, for making money. The Ripple price in future was expected to rise to a maximum of 1.3 by the end of 2022. Okay, probably. It's a good chance of that. The crypto was predicted to jump further to a maximum price of $3.288 by the end of 2025. Seems legit. I mean, it could be a hell of a lot more than that, but higher than that. I mean, easily 10x, if not 100x higher than it currently is. But by the start of 2027, XRP is expected to hit a maximum price of, according to this, I don't know. I get a lot of conflicting information, and there's people that's saying that $1,000 per XRP token isn't impossible. Who knows? So that by that, price predictions, Ripple price future forecast expected the cryptocurrency to surge to a maximum price of $24 by 2030. I think this is a extreme underestimate. XRP maximum price target for 2031 was 36. I mean, if it can get to that, why can't it get to 100? What will stop it from getting to 100? And add more use cases and more partners and improvements and innovations on the XRP side, XRP ecosystem side, and why would $500 or even $1,000 per XRP token not be possible? So yeah, I mean, if market cap is the main thing keeping the price, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, plus, what if they start implementing a token burning, XRP token burning mechanism? I mean, need to take all that into account. There's some argument out there that you don't want to spend 100 XRP tokens for every average transaction on the ledger. Some arguments against that. So rather maybe just 10 or 1 XRP token or whatever, which some say that the price of XRP needs to be higher then to enable that. I don't know. Anyway, I don't understand the theory behind it too well. I haven't looked at it yet. So yeah. Now is a bad dollar cost average, not financial advice, but educational, informational, and so on. Dollar cost averaging is a very wise way of investing. So in that sense, I disagree with this. Okay. Yes, do your own research always. How do you invest in Ripple? If you want me to make a video, I'll probably will make a video on that at some point. Yeah, 36. They say $36 by 2030. I think it's a gross underestimate. I think it's a gross underestimate. By 2028, only $10. I don't know. I don't know what they base their estimates on. Price prediction 2022, 2030. This is Nasdaq.com. What is we know what Ripple is. Ripple makes waves in the news. Price prediction. Okay, we know more or less what it currently is. It's in a range of the 30 cents at the moment, dollar cents. I think. So by 2025, they say 1.47, $1.76. I disagree with that. 2025. Actually, it's possible. If the bear market continues for much longer, this is entirely possible. But if the bear market doesn't, it's more likely going to go towards 10, in my opinion, by 2025. Minimum 10. $8. Trading education is even more optimistic with price predictions as high as, I would agree more with this. In 2030, what will it be worth? Especially if they also win the SEC lawsuit, hands down. And with all the innovations and evolution of the project and so on, that will inevitably happen over the next, 7.5 years. What do they say? Around $30. Trading education, which is bullish on XRP's long-term future, likens the platform to a Visa competitor by the end of the decade. Much more than that. Much more than just this. Yeah, the site predicts that XRP could reach a high of by 2030, just over $30. If this turns out to be true and you can ride the waves and hold onto your cryptocurrency, $100 investment, today could yield is this true? $8,000 in little less than 10 years. Is this true? Let me calculate that quickly. So if $100, let me just do it this way. So it's just take $32 divided by what's the current price. Let's say 35 cents. That's 91. So if I multiply my 91.4 times 100 by $100, it's $9,000. Okay. Anyway, it's probably the current price of XRP that we differ mostly on. I get just over 9,000 rand, dollars. I get just over $9,000. Okay. So, yeah. I mean, it's nothing to, but yeah. Right. And some say even less. When can it reach $10 for one XRP token? This year, unlikely. When XRP wins the legal case against SEC, it will very likely shoot up to $10 or even $20, but inevitably I think it will drop down back to maybe $2, $3, and then gradually, slowly start going up and up and up, back up. Because I think just the hype will push it up to $10 or even $20, and then it will start dropping again back to healthy values, price levels, and then slowly, go up over medium to long term, with the obvious normal sine wave dips, ups and peaks and lows. No, different use cases. Different use cases than Ethereum and Bitcoin and so on. It's not going to replace Bitcoin or Ethereum. Yeah, it is worth buying it, investing in it, but do your own research, not financial advice. Okay, so if you're looking for a low-cost way to begin investing in cryptocurrency, this is from Nasdaq. Okay, XRP might be a good option due to its growth potential. Be prepared for the coin to dip or spike sharply based on a final SEC court judgment. Spike sharply. It will. It will. How much? Not sure. Yeah. Trade this at your own risk. I mean, if you've got trading bots that are very well programmed, good luck. Maybe it will work. Okay, but yeah. Let's see. Hope for an even better deal. XRP. Yeah. So let's go to the next one. Who's swimming that? Just want to see. Jump quickly to speculations. Now joined Ripple. What? Okay, I didn't know. Is that true? I didn't know about that. Did Elon Musk really join Ripple in the fight against the SEC? Elon Musk believes SEC is attempting to regulate cryptocurrencies and that it has crossed its jurisdiction and needs to be stopped. Elon Musk is 100% correct. He's a cool guy. He does good things. He's 100% correct. And if he's joined that fight, yeah, well, the SEC is not going to win. They can't outsmart Elon Musk. They can just dream of outsmarting him. Ripple partners with the Republic of Palau. That's good. It's going to be a lot more partnerships like these, similar. SEC versus Ripple case will likely end in 2022, says Ripple CEO. Latest 2023, but it's definitely possible before the end of 2022 that it will end. Distinctive features. Ripple is not blockchain based. What is he meaning? Unlike most of the cryptocurrencies in existence, the coin does not operate on blockchain technology. Instead, it is based on a Ripple protocol technology, which means it has no use for a distributed ledger database. This uses gateways linked to servers of the company in multiple countries of the world to verify and process transactions. I'm a bit confused by this because I'm not an expert on XRP. This is a bit new to me. XRP cannot be mined. Yeah. The limit for XRP coins is set at 100 billion coins created by the company. Over 35% of that coin has been released into the market. The rest is held by the company that releases it periodically to control the supply and circulation of the token. I think there's 600 million that they've released recently. The cryptocurrency is a deflationary one as the number of coins in the market reduces with each transaction. That's good. Ripple network is centralized. The Ripple network. The virtual asset is centralized and its parent company. What crypto? Ripple Lab strives to. When was this written? 2022. Ripple Lab strives to create partnerships with traditional financial institutions like banks. The company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, thereby increasing the popularity of its native token, Ripple XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilitates cross-border payments and settlements. The Ripple XRPL is decentralized, isn't it? Just check their website. They are explaining there very nicely that it's decentralized. There's a common misunderstanding that it actually is decentralized. Okay, fast transaction speed, low cost, reversibility of transactions. Is this true? Another positive for it is that the transactions can be reversed or edited to deal with an error if there is one. Okay. All these features have enabled the Ripple network to gain significant partnerships among traditional financial institutions, and it has also influenced the growth in value of Ripple XRP over the years. I don't know if this is true. Isn't it blockchain based? I don't think this is correct. This is correct. It cannot be mined, XRP. I think it's decentralized. I think that's incorrect. Yes, it's got fast transaction speed, extremely low cost. And this is interesting. This is good. Reversibility of transactions. Now, the growth in South Pacific. It is a fact that the recent partnerships of Ripple with the Japanese payment giant SBI has brought the attention of various technical corporations across the South Pacific. Okay. The lawsuit on Ripple pertaining to its security doesn't seem to bother Japanese regulators or SBI officials. Yeah, not surprised. That's what I said earlier. Price predictions. Okay, Ripple price action, price predictions. That don't say much here that I want to cover. Okay, so this one. So $2 is within reach, yes, at some point, not too far away. According to Coinpedia, even with the lawsuit hanging over its head, Ripple XRP will trade at an average of $20 in the next 5 years. Yeah, I agree with that. I totally agree with that. Okay, that's just authority sites. Wallet investor. Let's see. They just give percentages mostly. Trading Beasts 2025. I think this is wrong. I don't think they know what they're talking about. Yeah, this is all gross underestimates. Okay, so 2023. Okay, so end of 2022, 0.56. Who's predicting this? Is this Cryptopolitan? End of 2023, 0.83. Could be if the bear market continues for quite a bit longer. End of 2024, I think that's not accurate. I think it's probably going to be much higher than that. End of 2025, $1.76. I think that's gross underestimates. By 2030, $12. Now I think it's going to be a hell of a lot higher than that. 2031, it's almost $18. Okay. Yeah. Interesting what people think. Elon Musk joins Ripple in fight against the SEC. I don't know if this is true. If it's true, it's good. Extra firepower. Okay. That didn't work. Okay. 2 reasons why XRP could be the future of crypto. I think I covered this. Okay, so in the beginning. Don't know why it came up there again. Okay. Thanks, Jonathan Ward, on your website. Hope you don't mind that I comment on your content. What's the future of XRP? Okay, what is XRP? We already know. And their lawsuit, the future of XRP. So he says there is a lot riding on the outcome of the SEC lawsuit that could determine the future of XRP. What I can say on that is, worst case scenario for XRP is it carries on like it has been now at that speed, at that rocket boost energy level, force level. It will continue growing, even if it loses to the SEC. Even if they label it as a security, it will continue growing. That doesn't mean that the rest of the world need to see XRP as a security as well. So, just so by the way. But yeah, it will continue growing, even if it loses, and continue getting new partners globally. If they win the lawsuit, which they will, it will just boost everything that I just said and accelerate everything that I just said about XRP project. Okay. If Ripple loses the lawsuit, he says, it could spell the end of XRP. No, it won't. However, if they come out victorious, then the price breakout could be insane. Yeah, it could really be insane. So a lot of factors, yeah. The most important to him is the current market cap of a coin and the potential for market growth. Not just that, I hope people that say this take into account their evolution and new use cases being discovered or invented and stuff like that as well. Bitcoin's market cap today is about $820 million. The market cap of all publicly traded companies crossed 93 trillion in 2022. So overall bullish, he says, yes. Nowhere near mainstream adoption of crypto, yes. If mainstream adoption will just rocket XRP's price into space, to the moon. As for marketing, if you have any interest in the crypto world, you'd have to have heard about XRP. Blah blah blah. The SEC case has been covered by tons of crypto bloggers and many major news outlets. If Ripple wins the lawsuit, it will be like lightning dynamite under the token. Yeah, I agree with that. So, determine if XRP will actually be adopted by banks. Yes, it will. Well, almost guaranteed that it will. Centralized nature of the XRP network. Something in terms of the XRP project is fully decentralized. Just check out their website, please. Banks are definitely afraid of losing power to crypto, so having a network that is centralized allows them to attempt to hold on to some of that power. True, but they will in the end lose. Whether it's by 2030 or later, they will lose. Ripple boasts that it has over 300 partners, including well-known brands like them, and them. Okay. So then we have to look at the current market cap of XRP and think about how much it could actually expand. He thinks that without a doubt Bitcoin and Ethereum will be both trillion-dollar market cap coins within the next 5 years. I agree, and XRP won't be far behind. He says if XRP is able to win the lawsuit and gain major adoption by big financial institutes, he really believes it might be the third trillion-dollar coin. Yeah, just like I said too, I agree with that. He's heard other opinions that XRP will eventually break $30, which would put it at $1.4 trillion. Remember, if XRP is also deflationary and if they also implement a burning mechanism, I'm going to say that for whatever reason, if there's a use case for that, I'm going to say that XRP, he says, is going to say that XRP has the potential to hit a $700 billion market cap by 2026. That puts the price of the token at around $15 mark. Yeah, I mean, this is realistic, but it could be a lot higher than that too. With or without burning mechanism, reducing the amount of tokens in circulation or in existence. But if they implement a burning mechanism for whatever wise use case reason. I don't know if that's at all something that will make sense to ever do. Then yeah, it could considerably rocket the price upwards, well, increase the price upwards to a lot higher than $30, even 10x, and 100x is not impossible with the burning mechanism implemented too. And I mean, I have to question the validity of the market cap as well in terms of its effect on the price. What if macroeconomic conditions, you know? Yeah, anyway. So, good investment? I think so. Can it reach $30 before 2030? Absolutely. Will it, in my opinion? Absolutely. Way before that. Can XRP price reach $100? In my opinion, absolutely. Can it eventually reach $1,000 within the next 10 to 20 years? XRP, I think so. I think so. Cool. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the 3 channels if you don't mind. And yeah, see you in the next videos.